Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing, not perfecting, so press record. Frame vertically in 9:16. Hold steady with a tripod or phone grip. Once done, make your hook obvious. A question or bold claim in the first 3 seconds. Record multiple takes of the same shot to give yourself options, and keep lighting simple, natural window light or a ring light works. Make sure audio is clear. Use phone mic or an external lavalier if possible. This gets you moving quickly into editing. You now edit with intent. Cut ruthlessly to the moment that matters. Use rapid cuts to maintain pace. Keep scenes under 3-4 seconds if energy is high, and insert captions for silent viewers. Once cuts are tight, add a short music bed and balance levels so voice remains dominant. Make sure transitions are clean. Hard cuts usually work best for shorts. Finally, include a single call to action near the end, and export at high bitrate for crisp visuals on mobile. You complete the process by uploading with a concise title and 3 strong hashtags. Set visibility and pick a short, sharp cover frame. Once published, monitor retention and impressions in the first 24-48 hours. If views are low, tweak one element at a time, change thumbnail, edit the first 3 seconds for a stronger hook, or swap the title. Troubleshooting tip: if audio sounds muffled after export, re-export with higher audio bitrate or normalize audio level.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.